いつもの朝。妻が死んだ。
I know it's sad to say, but now that she's gone, I don't even feel sad or pain or hurt or... Dear Champion Vending Company, I put 5 quarters in your machine and proceeded to push B2, which should have given me peanut M&Ms, period. Regrettably, it did not. I found this upsetting as I was very hungry, and also my wife had died 10 minutes earlier.
I'm calling in regards to your complaint letters. There's been 4 so far. Do you have anyone to talk to?
Shouldn't you be in school?
I'm suspended.
For what?
Repairing the human heart is like repairing an automobile. You have to take everything apart. Just examine everything. Then you can put it all back together.
What are we doing again?
We're taking apart my marriage.
Tried to see the bright side.
I'd like to be able to do what you do, to be completely honest. When was the last time you really cared about something?
Do you think it's too late for that?
I followed my convictions. It was good till I got bored. Till a voice beyond the grave kept calling.
すべてをぶっ壊して見えたものとは。雨の日は会えない。晴れた日は君を思う。
I rolled it. Just like that.